Hello, my name is Jason Cannon, and I'm excited to announce the release of PacBrake's new AMP Wireless Airspring Controls Kit. This kit allows you to use our AMP Wireless Controls phone app to monitor your airspring pressure and make adjustments as needed. It is a direct replacement of our existing analog and digital in-cab control kits. No more fiddling around with an air chuck and pressure gauge, no more running wires and drilling holes through your vehicle's dash, and no more plastic remotes. Our Bluetooth app connects your onboard air system and gives you the control of your airsprings from your phone. Our focus when designing this kit was to enhance your experience by making something that is easy to install, durable to withstand extreme environmental conditions, and be able to seamlessly integrate onto any truck and into any onboard air system currently on the market. As you can see, the majority of the kit comes pre-assembled. This drastically reduces the install time to less than an hour using common mechanics tools. The only installation required from you is mounting the board along the frame rail of your vehicle with the supplied hardware, connecting the provided wiring harness to a power source, and plumbing your onboard air system into the wireless control system using the airline provided. You can then power on the system and adjust your airspring pressure through your phone app. The two displays at the bottom provide real-time feedback of the pressure within each airspring. Additionally, the three buttons at the top allow you to save presets so you can quickly achieve your desired airspring pressure. Our engineering team took extensive measures to ensure that this kit can withstand the brutal onslaught of road debris and extreme temperatures. We use dependable military-grade solenoids, an IP67 rated waterproof controller, and sealed pressure sensors. Everything is connected through Molox and Delphi connectors that have proven to pass all salt, fog, and immersion testing. As a result, this kit is rated for temperatures as low as -40 degrees and up to a maximum of 85 degrees Celsius. You can be confident no matter the weather, load, or road condition, you will always have control over your airsprings. Lastly, we took the guesswork out of determining if the kit will fit your vehicle or integrate into your onboard air system. We've designed universal mounting brackets that fit into the frame rail of any truck currently on the market. Thank you for watching.